that how you do it? Do a little bit of flip and clip.
Is this starting still? Oh, so I can basically.
So with this being my very first Blade show, I wasn't really planning on filming very much. I wasn't sure what to prepare for, so I figured I'd just go and see where everything went. But the longer I was there, the more people I met, the more excited I got about the entire trip in general. I decided I couldn't let this weekend roll by without documenting at least a portion of how ridiculously epic everything was. So without any decent equipment and zero preparation, I whipped out my phone and started documenting the things that simply made me happy. Not surprisingly at all, it wasn't even the event that was the most fun part. It was getting to hang out with all of these amazing and beautiful people. A room full of strangers that quickly started feeling more like a family reunion than a first meeting. There's so much more to this community than just knives, and I honestly don't think that words can really put it into perspective. Pretty sure that the moments speak for themselves. There were serious moments, there were hilarious moments, and there were you would have had to have been there moments. And I'd just like to say before we go on with the rest of the video, Sam, I'm really sorry about what happened to your parents. Ty, Din Din, What? Where's your camera, Ethan? Where's your camera? Where's your camera?
Right here. I'm getting it out.
I'm filming you, filming him.
Hold on, children. No, don't look at the camera.
Hey, make your cameras kiss.
Oh my God, it's Rob.
The cameras have to kiss. Oh, they're in love.
Yeah.
Aw.
3, 2, 1, go. Time. Let's hear it from there. 3, 2, 1, go. Time. Let's hear it from the 3, 2, 1, go. Time. Let's hear it for Aiden Flips Valley. Go.
And what kind of amazing weekend like this doesn't end with an absolutely amazing send-off? I'd like to thank Dasuko, Will Hirsch, and Hi-Fi Bias for putting on such an amazing Bite Handle Rave at the end of Blade Show. It was absolutely fantastic. It was definitely the best way that we could have ended Blade Show 2024. You guys did an awesome job. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you next year.